Hi friends, this video shows how to permanently remove these Bluetooth earbuds from this Samsung phone. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connections, tap here, then tap on Bluetooth label, tap here. Here you can see I already connected this OnePlus Buds 4 to this Samsung phone. Here you can see the status OnePlus Buds 4 connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. Tap on the settings icon. Here you can see more options. Here you can see Unpair button. Using this Unpair option, we can permanently remove this OnePlus Buds 4 from this Samsung phone. Tap on this Unpair button. Tap on Unpair. See, this way we can permanently remove this OnePlus Buds 4 from this Samsung phone. Next I will show you how we can reconnect. If you want to reconnect, we need to again put this device into pairing mode. We need to press and hold this button. You can see this light is flashing. That means now this device in pairing mode. Then tap on Bluetooth. And here you can see OnePlus Buds 4. That is the name of this device. Tap on this name. Then tap on pair. This way we can reconnect removed OnePlus Buds 4. Done. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.